Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to McGovern RT Hyundai, we have likely the most anticipated car of 2025, and that is the Hyundai Ioniq 5N. And this is, I'm going to cut straight to the point, the best electric car I've ever driven. The whole engine noise thing and how that works, it is not a gimmick. It is genius and it is awesome. I was not a believer until I drove it. Look at those brakes. Holy cow. What is this on? P0? Yeah, P0. Oh, man. Let's see. Ioniq 5N all-wheel drive, 68,215. Oh, check this thing out. Oh, what a machine this thing is. Blacked out badges, tons of cargo space. Even though the car goes road, it does not go space. Just absolutely awesome. Bunch of different modes. Your N buttons are right here, drive mode's here, and Grin Boost, something like that. That is what that is. All your different engine sounds. You have ignition, evolution, supersonic. Let's stick with ignition. Oh, love this steering wheel. Love the airbag cover. Everything about this is amazing. This is one of the best cars I've driven this year. Not just for an electric car either. You know, I found myself on the drive over here using the paddles, doing everything as if it was a gas car. And I've been in this car maybe 30 minutes. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. You have to drive one to believe it. I think what really helps it is the fact you have gears and you can feel the gears. When you downshift, there's a little, not substantial, there's a bump. When you upshift, you feel it. Hitting a rev limiter has never been so fun. And the best part is, all this fun is for myself. I'm not annoying neighbors because all the sound's inside the car. And I never thought I would say this. They got it right. This is phenomenal. in terms of the platform, the power delivery, everything, it's the best of everything. I can understand why this has won a lot of awards. I'm pretty sure this won Best Driver's Car. Or at least it was definitely in the running. This is the best driving electric car I've ever driven, bar none. And I've driven a ton. And this is phenomenal. And then you have power boost. Oh God! Oh man, I love this car. I absolutely love this car. I just want more and more and more of it. I want to try N Grin Boost from a lower speed. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. You're a good car. You're a very, very good car. It's so believable. There is no transmission. There's nothing. There's no engine, but I'm sitting here putting it in its power band and I'm like, yes, all right, go, do this, do that. This is a phenomenal, spectacular, one of the best cars. If Porsche had made this, I would believe it. If this had a Porsche badge, I would believe it. Just in terms of platform dynamics. To make an electric car, which in and of itself is a very sanitary kind of basic driving experience, and make it this special takes a lot of work and a lot of engineering. But holy crap, they did it. This blows my mind. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.